Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'm going to be going over Search It All. It's a Google Chrome extension that I'm bringing back to life from years ago. So I'm updating the code, everything like that. So a little bit about this series, I'm going over a Big Bear apps. So anything that I build or code or anything like that will be in this series. So if you like that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So let's get back to your registered programming. So this is the extension that I'll be showing you in this video. I developed it years ago, and I kept on developing it, and then it just fell on the wayside, and I got distracted by other things. But I'm going to be bringing it back, and because I miss it, I use it myself. So it was a really easy way to quickly switch between different search engines. Like if you were searching on Google and you wanted to quickly just search on Bing or some other search engine or a custom one that you add, you can do this with the extension. And if you go up here to the extensions and then you pin it, you can see it right here. So if you're on the Google, you can go over here and you can see all the search engines that you can search for. So if we just do testing and then we go up to the extension, and then you can also search the search engines. So if we wanted to search Bing, you can go ahead and do that. And then now you can see that it switched to Bing, and that was really simple. We didn't have to open up a new tab, go to Bing, and then copy and paste the query in there. We just went to this extension and we just clicked it, and then it brought everything in and it searched. So that's what this extension is about. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm going to go over the extension options. So we can go down here and we can click it, and now we're in the extension options. You can see custom search engines right here, and you can see the default list that it starts with. So this can be changed, reordered. You can completely delete it if you want to. You can also come down here and add a search engine. So if we wanted to add like chat a GPT, we can go ahead and say chat GPT, and then we can also put the search URL in, and we can do %s add, and then now it's in here. So now if we go over to start page, we go to the extension, you scroll down, you can see it right here. So now if you click it, now you can see it went to it right away. So if we want to go back to DuckDuckGo, so the thing about that is it didn't keep the query string. So we're going to see this, and this is a feature to where you can type what you want in it. Okay. And then now it's back on testing. So you can see that it's pretty versatile. It's a pretty simple extension. You can also come down here and backup settings, and you can restore settings. You can also restore defaults. So if you click this, it restored default. It got rid of ChatGPT. But what if we want to add it back? And then ChatGPT, search, and then the %s add. And then now we can go ahead and back up settings right here. And it was just backed up. So we can go over here, and if we want to see this, so now you can just refresh, and you can drag and drop it where you want it. So we can go ahead and back it up again. And if you want to just restore defaults, you can restore it, and you think it's gone, but you backed it up. So we can go up here to the downloads, drag and drop it onto the screen, And then it says, are you sure you want to restore these settings? Current settings will be replaced. And we're going to say okay. And then now we have ChatGPT back and settings are restored. So that's a little about the options for Search It All. So I just showed you an extension that I'm working on. So if you have any feature requests or anything like that for this extension, please let me know. I'm looking at approving it, and I always like to hear from the Big Bear community. So if you like this extension, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video sessions or any community support, you can go to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.